Hi Libra, this is your weekly reading from the 7th of May 2025 to the 14th of May. I'm going to look at your energies at this time. The cards are in front of me. I've taken out your cards and clarified them. I have a certain information to give you regarding your general life, your career, your personal life, and what is going to come in the future after this week. So basically, in your environment is the Queen of Swords. This could be your energy, Libra, and the Chariot. So the Queen of Swords energy, not specifically gender based, this is a feminine energy of truth speaking. This is a person, this is applicable to any gender, so male female, but this energy is feminine. This energy is all about keeping your strict boundaries, coming from a place of truth or honesty. And with the Chariot, it is talking about control. So basically, you will be controlled, you will be very focused about the issue at hand. For whatever you are watching this reading, you are ready to accomplish a goal. Some of you could be speaking truthfully in front of a panel. It could be an official panel, it could be an interview panel, it could be in front of your family members. You will be called on to speak, and you are going to speak truthfully, and you might be very determined to achieve a certain goal at this time. So with the Eight of Pentacles in your energy, what I am seeing is that you are ready to rebuild, you are ready to embrace a correction, you are ready to embrace a situation, and you are ready to work hard on that. So what has happened in your life? What has happened is that Ten of Cups and the Tower. So Ten of Cups came before, the Tower came later. So this means that your life was very good, your life was looking very successful, but with the Tower you got a sudden jolt that created a disturbance in your good life. So there is a possibility that for a certain moment or a situation, things became very difficult for you, everything became topsy-turvy, and your good life has been is going through a turmoil. So it could be in your love life, it could be in your personal health, it could be in your career. Whatever it is, Libra, you are ready to make a correction, you are ready to make the changes and embrace the new. That is what I am seeing. Embrace a treatment, embrace to correct your mistake in work, and ready to work hard for a situation. So what happened is the Justice and the Moon. So the Justice and the Moon, Justice is your card, Libra. It tells me that some decisions have been wrong, or some problem occurred because of not knowing something. So you were maybe blindfolded, and you unseeingly made a mistake, or there was a legal situation which has occurred because you have not expected that, or something like that. So there is a non-illumination of some sort, or there is the moon energy coming here in your cause and effect situation. So basically, moon will be in Libra and Scorpio. Scorpio full moon will occur on 12th of May. Before that, it will be in your sign, Libra. So basically, it is going to affect you, and it is going to affect you in a certain way. Like I said, that there is a possibility that things will become normal, or things will be discussed in an intimate situation, or in a situation that was dark for you, and now it will be revealed with the moonshine. So basically, something will end with a Scorpio energy, maybe. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy, something is going to end, or there is a there is a rebirth of some sort in this time period. Something was done which was wrong, whether it was done by you or someone else. There will be a correction happening and something will be ending forever. So quickly, very quickly, you are going to make that change with the Knight of Swords. So some decision will be taken by someone connected to you or you yourself, which will end a certain situation of jealousy, envy, difficulty, or a karmic ending will take place. So you are waiting with the Page of Swords energy, having trying to get the evidence in this time period. So the prophecy in this reading is that justice will take place, however difficult it may be, with the moon around you. So the uncertainty is there, but definitely a revelation ending and rebirth will take place. So something will not remain the same in your personal life or professional or in your health situation. So it is not scary, it is just that a tower will occur, disturb your situation, and a new rebuilding phase will start. So what is happening in your career situation? I am seeing that you will have the digging your heels energy, not ready to give up, with the Nine of Wands, whatever may happen. So it is a great energy and you will fight till the end. And with the Ace of Cups, you are going to feel better. You are going to accept a new opportunity. You could be in lot of worry. You were in a lot of worry or anxiety, but it is changing for you. And with the Page of Cups, there is going to be an improvement or improvement news with the Magician. So Mercury will enter Taurus on May 10, and Libra, Taurus is your, one second, Taurus is your 8th house. So it is about shared finances, it is about, you know, bedroom secrets, whatever it is, some mystery will be solved. So so the communications or you know, some kind of expression will take place on 10th of May and up to 12th of May. There is going to be a Libra moon situation from 10th, from 9th to you know, this 2.5 day, and there is going to be some truth speaking happening, some expression, some connection, and there is going to be a feeling of that I have recovered from a difficulty. So with the Four of Wands, Four of Swords, and Four of Pentacles around you in terms of your career, money, job, finance, or home and family and joint finance issue, things will remain the same. You will be afloat. With the Four of Wands, family happiness will come back. You could, some of you could be celebrating a family function. With the Four of Swords, you will take time to tap into your wisdom in this time period to reach a balance in your situation. That is what I am seeing, and definitely there will be a coming of 444 in your situation. So what is 444? 444 is all about being stable, and universe is guiding you towards stability. So sometimes you have to retract your steps, take time out to bring back status quo or some kind of balance in your life. And with the Four of Wands, you will reach a stable situation, and universe is guiding you towards that. In terms of your personal life, with the Hermit and the Empress, so Empress is number 3 and Hermit is number 9, and there is going to be a kind of energy where for your prosperity, for your growth, for your productivity, for your health, for your appreciation of beauty or beautiful surroundings, you are going to retract and you are going to take time out. And at this point, the best energy for you will be to tap into your own wisdom, and you will be getting a good relationship or a good relationship situation if you are quieter, if you are listening to others, or if you are in isolation. So the best way to get to a situation of productivity, best thing is to be more spiritual. Tap into your spiritual energy, tap into your feminine energy, tap into the energy of environment, or greenery, beauty. Spend time with yourself, and you will be getting out of difficulties in love with the Three of Swords, with the Three of Pentacles and Sea of Cups. Very soon in this week, just this week, you will feel healed in your situation, and with the Three of Cups, very soon you will be invited in the company of people, and there will be a reunion, there will be happiness, there will be success. So triple three energy is also coming to you. So triple three and triple four tells me that universe is guiding you towards spiritual connection, upliftment through spiritual uh, you know mm, uh, spiritual guidance. They want you to tap into your wisdom, and Empress is also number 3. So basically you will be taking control of growth, productivity, collaboration, happiness, healing, and you will get over the sadness because of the setback or lost opportunity or a heartbreak of some sort, and you are going to feel much happier in this time period because universe is protecting you. The angels are giving you guidance in this time period to remain stable. So what is coming to you, what is the advice is Earth Guardian. So it is asking you to stay rooted and grounded, be practical in your approach. Earth Guardian is with you. Air Guardian is also with you. So Air Guardian is asking you to shift your perception, whatever has been your mindset, whatever way you look at your world, it has to be changed. The perception has to be changed, or you have to work on how people perceive you. So you have to change or alter your behavior. With the Spring card, there is going to be see your seeds grow. So spring is going to bring you growth, definitely a breakthrough, definitely a success in your because whenever justice and the moon comes, suppose you are in front of a job situation and you want to grab that, this says that judgment will happen after this. So judgment means that favorable decisions will be made regarding you. So that is Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups energy. So it will happen to you. You may have lost in the past, but now you will win. And the Four of Wands and the Four of Swords and the Four of Pentacles is telling us that there will be stability coming back to you, there will be growth, because the Spring card tells us about rich rewards, your seeds will grow, and Four of Wands tells us about reaping rich benefits in your life. So basically in terms of your Keeper energies, I am seeing the Lovers card. So do not doubt the love people have for you. Do not be too restrictive or controlling or suspicious of their love. A mature woman could be part of your life, or you could be the mature woman. You could be thinking about the main male here, could be your son, husband, son-in-law, or a boss, or anyone around you. Occupation card is here. This is telling us that you have some skill and you will be working hard on that. You will be putting your nose to the grind for sure. There is going to be a gift benefit card coming to you, a blessing coming to you in this time period. So your outcome is the Ace of Wands. You will feel rejuvenated. You will feel that life force has come back to you, clarified by Ace of Cups. There is going to be a sensational feeling inside of you, which will be pure and innocent. It will be full of passion. So a new situation is going to break through a situation of two of swords, that was silence between two people, stubbornness between two people, silence from one party to the other. So there was a stalemate, which will see a breakthrough in your situation. And the stalemate happened with the reverse fool energy. So the reverse fool energy is someone taking unnecessary risk, someone took a foolish step, and you and someone has to pay for it. So but that situation will be over, and the Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups is going to come in your life. This could be a new job, new love, new situation which will bring in happiness, and it is going to bring in new passion and enthusiasm back in your life. So if you have liked this reading, Libra, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me through the email ID in the description box. I will reply to you once you send me the email. My email ID is there. Just write to me. It can take a bit of time, maybe a week, but I reply to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.